Hello students, let us discuss molecular models. So what is a molecular models means? These are some devices, okay? These are the physical devices. What are the use of these devices means? That are used for better visualization and perception of three-dimensional shapes of organic molecule. Mean here you can see nothing but these are some devices, okay? You can see really how the molecule will be look, okay, how the you can feel really. So this is a better visualization and perception of 3D shapes of the molecule, okay. So these are made up of some wood, plastic, metals, and these are commercially I mean nothing but these are available in the market. So generally we have three types of molecular models. The first one is framework model. Second one we have ball and stick model. Here you can see we have the ball and stick type model. Okay. Next third one we have space filling model. Now let us discuss all the models one by one and what is the use of each model. So here if you see the framework model here, so here the only the bonds connecting the atom of the molecule and not the atoms themselves are shown. Here you can see this is we are writing only simple lines, okay, we are writing only sticks. So you can come to know only the how the connection will be there, that's it, but you are not able to see the how the atoms are there, okay. So this what is the importance of this model means this model emphasizes the pattern of bond of a molecule while ignoring the size of the atom. So you are not going you are not going to come to know the size of the atom but pattern of the bond. For example, the molecule is like this manner, or is it in the arrange the bond or bonds are in tetrahedral manner, or are they in the trigonal planar model like that. You can come to know the pattern of the bond, that's it, but not the size of the atom. Next we have ball and stick model. Means in this model we have the both the atoms and bonds are shown. So these balls indicate means what? Atoms, and these are the sticks indicate means what? Bond. So ball represents the atom and sticks denotes the what? Bond. So you can come to know the bonds and atoms both are together in the what? Ball and stick model. Next we have space filling model, okay. So in this what happened, this model emphasizes the relative size of each atom based on its van der Waals radius. So here you can see the size, okay. For example, this molecule having this atom having this much of size and center atom having this much of big, okay, this one black one. So you can come to know how much space is going to fill, okay. For example, you are keeping the 4 balls, 5 balls in a box based on different sizes. You can come to know how much how much space they are going to occupy, okay. So this is you can come to know the relative size of each atom based on its van der Waals radius. Bonds are not shown here. You are not going to come to know the word bonds. In framework model you are going to see the bonds, but here there is no bonds. It conveys the volume occupied by each atom in the molecule. So as just I told, so you can come to know how much volume is occupied by each atom, okay. So from this you can come to know only the what? Bond. From this you can come to know the volume. Here you can come to know the atom and ball, atom and bond. So along with the three models, nowadays we are using the computer graphic, can also use it for the what? Molecular modeling. Nothing but molecular modeling means what? How the molecules are arranged, that you can come to know by using the what? Molecular modeling. Simply we are using some software. From that also you can come to know the shape of the molecules in the 3-dimension way, okay. Here we have some examples for just work out. Here give condensed ion bond line structure formulas and identify the functional groups, okay, if is present. So for each of the molecule you have to write the word condensed and bond line structure. Here we have the 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane and 2 hydroxy 1,2,3 propane tricarboxylic acid and hexane diol, okay. So you have to write the word condensed and bond line formulas. Just work out, okay. If you do the examples, then only you can get clarity on the concept.